Okay, continuing on with our part one of the conspiracy series, where we either debunk or find out if a conspiracy theory is true. And we're now in part two of Is the food in the United States really killing us? We left off talking about what hormones are allowed in meats and dairy in the United States. So let's continue. In this same article that we were looking at in the past video, it does state that there is no definitive proof that sex and growth hormones found in meat and dairy will cause products to lead to cancer or cause early puberty in children. The reason why that is because these products are naturally occurring both in the animal and the human consumer, so it's difficult to differentiate between the synthetic hormones and naturally occurring hormones in meat and dairy samples. And furthermore, the effects of consuming growth and sex hormones through meat and dairy products can be subtle and take a long time to present themselves. But that's not stating that it can't happen, and it's also not stating that it doesn't happen. It's just that they haven't found it yet. The interesting thing about it, though, is that although they haven't found the direct link to it yet, the EU has banned all hormones in beef, and RBGH has been banned in Japan, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. And that's just a precautionary thing. You would think that the United States would want to take that kind of precaution, too. All of these hormones don't include the fact that the way we farm animals in the United States also dictates the food that we eat and the meat that we eat. So let's talk about that. Animals raised on a pasture eat simple and a natural diet of grass, roots, leaves, grubs, nuts, berries, fruits, and insects. But factory farm animals typically eat feed composed primarily of high energy grains, corn, and soybeans. And it could have a wide range of additional ingredients, including animal byproducts such as meat meal, which is ground up animals, blood, feathers, and eggshell meal, animal waste, including dried poultry litter and unprocessed waste, restaurant food waste, including foods with rodents, roach, and bird excrements treated to destroy pathogens, urea, preservatives, antibiotics, heavy metals, plastics for roughage, and a more extensive list can be found in the link that I post below. There's even more to this, but as a result, the nutritional value of factory farm products is inferior to pastured meat, dairy, and eggs, especially when it comes to the fat content of these foods. Total fats and calories are higher in factory farm meat than in pastured products, but the particular significance meat from factory farm animals is higher in omega-6 and lower in omega-3 fatty acids, and that's not healthy. Grain-fed factory farm animals have 10 times more omega-6s than livestock raised on a pasture. On the other hand, grass-fed livestock have 2 to 4 more times of the healthier omega-3 fatty acids. Part 3.